Hey guys, today is Sunday, October 6th. It's currently 9 p.m. Vancouver time, and basically, as always, I'm gonna get prepared for this upcoming week. So, what I'll do right now is I'm gonna schedule my content for this week on my Instagram account, and also I'm gonna go over my pairs to see what's happening in the markets, see if there's actually some nice opportunities for me, and also I'm gonna check how AUD CAT, the trade that I took on Friday, how the trade is performing right now. So join me in this process and let's get prepared for this upcoming week. Okay guys, so I just finished doing the analysis for this week, so let me show you what I'm seeing. First, AUD CAT, the trade that I took on Friday. We are a little bit in profit right now. And then I'm gonna go over the pairs or the setups that I'm basically looking at the moment right now for this week. I'm gonna go really quick. So liquidity sweep, break of structure, waiting for this movement here. This one, liquidity sweep, break of structure, just waiting for this movement here. Euro CAT, same thing, liquidity sweep, break of structure, waiting for this. We have all the fair value gap here. Euro AUD. I was waiting this for this setup at the beginning of the week, so liquidity sweep, the break of structure. I'm waiting for this movement. USD JPY, same thing, fair value gap. Jeff JPY, really same thing as well. NCD CAT, liquidity sweep, break of structure. This is kind of a reversal, but I really like it. And JP CAT, same thing as well. Liquidity sweep, break of structure, fair value gap. So all my rules or my setups, I'm not planning to take every single trade. I usually always do this on Sundays. I just marked up every single setup that I like the structure, and then, well, throughout these days, I just decide which one to take and which one to discard. Okay guys, now the work is done. We went over our pairs, we did our market analysis, and we scheduled our content for this week. So now we can get some good rest because tomorrow is gonna be a really busy day. Hey guys, good morning. So it's currently 10 a.m. Vancouver time and I'm about to go to work. Basically, this morning was really busy. I focused on backtesting because yesterday I wasn't able to do it based on the fact that I was scheduling my content and basically getting my week ready. I backtested two pairs that I usually get bad results, and that's basically what happened. I'm gonna show you the results. And I refined my watch list for this week. So I took some trades away, some setups away, and I'm just focusing on the best high quality setups. Okay guys, so this morning we backtested two pairs, so GBP AUD and GBP CHEF. And GBP CHEF, we had a 33% win rate. That's nice. We can see this winning trade, this losing trade, and this losing trade as well. So that's nice. And in GBP AUD, this one we had a 0% win rate, two trades, and one break even. We can see this loss and this break-even trade. Hey guys, good morning. So it's currently October 8th, Tuesday, 7 a.m. Vancouver time, and it looks like it's gonna be a really interesting morning. So first, I'll start by back testing. I usually don't start very early back testing because I try to just wake up and get my mind ready for the day, but I just wanted to do it to just start by building up my confidence based on the fact that there's literally no opportunities in the market right now. Then I'll just journal the losing trade I had on AUD CAT. So at the end, it was a losing trade, so I'll just journal that. And then I have a meeting with a possible partnership, so I'll just hop into that. So let's get right into it. Guys, this was the losing trade on AUD CAT. So we can see, as I told you, it was a really nice high quality setup, but at the end, market is completely random and we had a stop loss. Guys, and regarding the backtesting sessions, yesterday late at night, I basically backtested two pairs, AUD CAT and Euro CAT. And today, earlier in the morning, I backtested GBP and CD. So on AUD CAT, we had really bad results with a 0% win rate. I took 4 trades and one break-even trade. And EuroCAD, we had a really nice session, 66% win rate. That's honestly really profitable with 6 trades, 3 break-evens, 2 winners, and 1 loss. And GBP NCD, 60% win rate. This was also a really nice session to start the day today with 8 trades and 3 break-evens. And we can see, I'll show you some nice setups here real quick. This is a break-even. This is also a break-even trade. This is a losing trade. Another losing trade. This was a winning trade, right? Another winning trade. Look at this previous liquidity to our point. So yeah, it was honestly 3 nice sessions. Unfortunately, AUD CAD was not that profitable, but not every pair is going to be profitable. So yes, guys, that's basically all for this morning. Now what I'll do is I'll go to the gym, then I have to go to work, and then maybe later today after coming back from work, I'll study a little bit and then I'll call it a day. Hey guys, so it's currently 10:29 p.m. Vancouver time, so it's kind of late right now. I basically wasn't able to record anything throughout the day because I was really busy with some assignments on my university. Honestly, university is getting really tough right now. But yeah, basically I also went to the gym. I did some back testing in the hours that I wasn't that busy. And then I just came back from outside. So what I just want to do right now is just hop into the charts. I know that the markets are really slow and price is still far away from my entry, but I still want to show you guys what's happening. So let's get right into that. Okay guys, so let's see what's happening. Okay guys, so let's see what's going on. So basically on gold, I have this pending position here. So it's a long position. I really like this whole consolidation here. That price could consider target. So basically take all this fair value gap in here and then jump into here, taking all this liquidity. Then we have AUD NCD. This is a new one. So as you guys already know, I was waiting this long position. But based on my rules, price just created a new higher low and then a new higher high. And this new higher low took liquidity, so sweep and then break of structure. So this is valid. Price could also consider this liquidity and go lower, taking this range. But if that's the case and that happens, I will then be looking for short positions. So that's basically why I'm taking this long. It also has a nice fair value gap. CAD JPY, the same one, still really far away. I know that there's some guys that took this position, so let me actually show you in another broker for you guys to understand better. So there's actually some people that took this long position, some people that I know in here, and we can see that there was kind of like a liquidity sweep and then a break of structure with a clear fair value gap, right? But honestly, this was kind of aggressive for me, so I didn't take it. Price already reached the 1-1, so this is a risk-free trade, which is nice. But yeah, I just avoided it because it was really high risk for me. Then USD JPY, basically liquidity sweep, break of structure, fair value gap, price, it's kind of still going up. So if it keeps going up, then I'll just cancel this setup, but it's still valid for me. Chef JPY, same thing. We can see that price is struggling to go higher than this high. So that's a nice sign. I just expect for price to keep going down and then, well, fill this fair value gap here and then activate our order. So it's still valid. And this one that I also like, a short position GBP CAD with the liquidity sweep, the break of structure. We can see the swing points here. So this one here, 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 and here. And then here was the change of character. So I expect for price to go higher, fill this fair value gap, this huge fair value gap here, and then go lower. Okay guys, so that's basically all for now. As we can see, we're still patiently waiting for price to activate our orders. But yeah, I'm honestly not expecting too much for this week. Last week we took 5 trades, so if I don't take any trades this week, that's fine. So now let's get some good rest and see you tomorrow. Hey guys, good morning. So it's currently October 10th, 9 a.m. Vancouver time, Thursday, and basically price is very close to hit my entry points or some of the trades that I was waiting since the beginning of the week. So it's been really slow, but finally price is approaching my entry point. So now I'm going to the computer, I'm going to set my pending orders in the market. So join me while I do so. Okay guys, so everything is set already. So I set my pending orders on CAD JPY, on AUD NCD, Gold, and GBP CAD. So now we wait. Let's see what happens. And actually, for going, I want to show you guys the setups. So this is CAD JPY, then AUD NCD, right? This long position, Gold, right? I love this consolidation here, and GBP CAD, this short position. Hey guys, so it's currently 10:28 p.m. Vancouver time, and I was at work all day. Now I'm editing the video for this week. I really like the results for now. And yeah, so far no trades for this week, so let's see what happens tomorrow. Hey guys, good morning. So it's currently October 11th, 11 a.m. Vancouver time. This is the last day of the week, and we finally, after waiting this whole week without taking any trades, I just placed an order and my entry has been activated on Euro NCD. So this setup, it's more kind of like aggressive setup compared to what I usually take, but it's completely valid because this type of trades, I also take them on my back testing. I just usually prefer to take the bigger ranges, which are less aggressive. This is more aggressive, but it's still valid and I follow my rules. So when that happens, I just execute my trading plan. So that's basically the only setup for this week. So I'll show you that. And also I want to finish this week showing you guys something about statistics and trading and what are the odds of having a losing streak, because I think that's really important. And most of gurus out there are selling unrealistic expectations of the market. And it's really important to understand these probabilities for us to perform way better in the markets. Okay guys, so this right here is the setup I just took on Euro NCD. I was waiting for GBP CAD and AUD JPY, which is very close to get activated, but we're almost done with this week, so the markets are about to close. But Euro NCD got activated. Now we're in drawdown, but I'm still expecting for price to move higher than this, considering that this is a nice setup. But still, we can't have expectations in the market because the market is completely random. We just need to execute a trading plan when our rules are met. As we can see, we have the liquidity sweep here and the breakup structure here, right? With a nice fair value gap in this area. So it met our rules, we executed. So I'm really proud about myself. So this right here is what I wanted to show you guys because I personally think it's really important to understand this chart. So basically, what we're talking about, it's the statistical odds of a losing streak. And as we can see, it's basically a 50 sample size or a 50 trade block. And what we need to clearly understand in the situation is our win rate and the comparison or the analysis between our win rate and our chances of having a big losing streak. So in this case, for example, my win rate usually it's around 35% to 40%. So that basically means that they say in the worst case scenario, if it's at 35%, having a 10 losing streak, as we can see here, I have a 42% chance of having 10 losing streaks or 10 losing trades in a row. That's insane. And that's what basically gurus out there or mentors out there that are trying to sell you a dream or unrealistic expectations, they never talk about this because at the end, it's not good for them. They're trying to sell you a course. So if they tell you that you're maybe gonna lose 10 trades in a row, you'll never buy it, right? So that's why it's really important to understand. Let's say, for example, you have a 30%, which is really normal with a 1, 2, 3 risk reward, which is basically the strategy I trade with. The chances of having 11 trades in a row, it's 55%. That's insane. That basically means that in your whole trading career, it's basically guaranteed to have 11 losing trades in a row. That's why it's really important to understand our statistics before starting to trade, or actually when we're trading. Because when we understand this, and we have losing trades, we will never start jumping from strategy to strategy because we're in a losing streak. We will just understand that our strategy is not performing really well right now, but it will work over time because that's what our backtested data says. So first, focus on gathering a lot of data with backtesting. Then consistently execute your trading plan without changing anything. Third, never change your strategy just because you have a losing streak. And when you have a losing streak, number 4, stop thinking that you're doing things wrong. Just keep doing the same thing over and over again. Go back, check this chart, and then understand your probabilities. So yes, guys, that was basically all for this week. It was a really slow week, but at the end, we were able to execute our trading plan and take at least one trade. Basically, the market is about to close, so we will have to wait for next week to see what happens. I'll keep you guys updated on my Instagram account. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, make sure to check that out. I'll leave the link in the description down below. And also, if you really like this content, make sure to subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and in the comments, let me know what you guys think about this content and what would you like to see in the next videos. So see you in the next one.